Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what we proudly call the best automatic stainless steel 42mm men's watch. The Invicta Men's Pro Diver Automatic, model 29177. This stunning timepiece features a classic black dial accented with luminous hands and hour markers, all protected by a durable mineral crystal. The 42mm stainless steel case gives it a strong, masculine profile while remaining comfortable on the wrist. Its thickness stands at 14.2mm, giving it enough presence without being bulky. One standout feature of this model is the screw-down crown and unidirectional stainless steel bezel. It includes a unique black and green top bezel ring, giving it a subtle but stylish flair. It's not just about looks. That screw-down crown combined with the overall build quality helps deliver a water resistance of up to 200 meters. That's right, it's not just swim-friendly. This watch is suitable for diving and marine activities too. Turn it over, and you'll see the exhibition case back proudly displaying the movement inside. The New Hampshire 35A, Japanese automatic. It's a 24-jewel movement, known for its accuracy and reliability, and it's assembled in Malaysia. This is a self-winding movement, so with regular wear, you'll rarely need to wind it manually. The bracelet is made of stainless steel, measuring 215mm in length and 22mm wide. It has a fold-over safety clasp to ensure secure wear, and you can adjust the size easily by adding or removing links. Weighing in at 142 grams, it feels substantial without weighing your wrist down. Whether you're dressed up for a formal event, heading into the office, or relaxing on a weekend adventure, the Invicta Pro Diver blends seamlessly into any setting. Its timeless design and rugged build make it a top pick for men looking to add a versatile automatic watch to their collection. To sum it all up, you get premium features, like the reliable NH35A automatic movement, 200-meter water resistance, exhibition case back, and a stylish stainless steel finish, all at a fraction of the price of high-end dive watches. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the Invicta Pro Diver Model 29177. If you're looking for a dependable, stylish, and affordable automatic timepiece, this one absolutely deserves your attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a review. See you in the next one, right here on Product Critique.